Oh yeah. Alright everybody, for each loops. A for each loop is a simpler and more elegant way to iterate over an array. However, it's less flexible compared to a standard for loop. I have an array of names of vehicles named cars. We have a BMW, Mustang, and Corvette. Then we can use a standard for loop to iterate and display the elements of this array. So this works fine, however, it's a lot of work to write all of this. Another approach, although it's less flexible, is to create a for each loop. This will iterate once for each element within my array. So type for each, parentheses, curly braces, and within the parentheses, we list the data type of each element. Then we need a name for each element that we're working with. Since we're working with cars, let's call each element a car. String car in the name of the array, cars. String car in cars. Then I will, with a WriteLine statement, display whatever car is. So this is kind of like a nickname for the element that we're currently working with. So let's get rid of this for loop, because we don't need it anymore, and use our for each loop instead. And this works the same as before. One downside with a for each loop is that it's not flexible. With a standard for loop, we can iterate forwards, backwards, or even skip iterations. So use whatever loop is more appropriate for your situation. Well, everybody, that is a for each loop. It's a simpler and more elegant way to iterate over an array. However, it's not as flexible. If you just need something simple to display the elements of an array, you can easily use a for each loop. Alright everybody, so that's a for each loop. If you can, give this video a thumbs up, drop a random comment down below, and well, those are for each loops in C#.